All right, May the 12th, 2023 morning live stream. What's going on, guys? All right, we've been watching price here. Let's just look and see what's going on here. We've got on the 15-minute, we've got a break of price and RSI followed. That was preceded, I should say, by hidden bearish divergence. Okay, so that's convincing, at least for maybe one more leg to the downside for ETH and for BTC, because BTC has the same thing going on. We haven't broken price structure yet, but we have broken the RSI. It appears on 15-minute chart we've broken the RSI. So RSI is telling the story. Doesn't mean we can't get a pullback to the upside in 3 waves before we end up breaking price. Now the question it becomes, is this going to become more complex? In other words, is this just part of a 3-wave retrace, retesting the lows that will then come back up here for a bigger and then down, maybe something like that? Obviously, we get shenanigans all the time. That might be what we're in for. We might be in for a dump. This could just roll over here and just come on down to targets. You say, okay, Jim, what are the targets and how do you find them? Well, let's draw a channel on this guy. We got a W, X, and a Y here. Okay, and this is the way I've counted it so far, if you can see it on the chart. WXY is like the channel. Marius mentioned that this morning. I'm like, he says there's a channel. I was like, oh yeah, there is a channel. I forgot to draw it, so got the channel on my chart now. And so we got a nice confluence of the 1-to-1 extension and the end of the channel right around a 25.9 range, 25.8, 25.9 range. Okay, the 1-to-1 kind of corresponds with the channel line. So 25.8, 25.9, really good area there to think about taking profit. However, if you look at the overall structure, you'll see the top of this wave is the same as the top of this wave. So we have real strong support at 25.2 to 25.3. So that's important to pay attention to as well. Looks like price, while I just started on the small time frame, just broke structure. So RSI broke already. Now price is broken on BTC. Just in the couple of minutes that I've been talking. All right. So that looks decent. Now let's just zoom out. Let's get all our stuff off the screen. There's price broken, by the way. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. Notice, actually, let's get to the 12-hour chart. What do you see, guys? What do you see? We have a 3-wave pullback, don't we? We got a 3-wave shape rocking here. Okay. As long as we find support here at the breakout, all right, what do you see down here? There's something hidden on the chart. Do you see what I'm seeing? That's hidden bull. Okay, that's pretty strong. We're oversold pretty deeply on the 12-hour. All right, we're oversold, and we got hidden bull, guys. That's a big deal to me. I'm very bullish right now. Very bullish. Okay, looking for this wave to finish somewhere between 25.9 and 24.7 would be my bottom target. Now, could it go deeper? Yes, it could. I don't think it will. But 24.7 is the 1414, and I really like 24.7. Why? Because it is the top of this wave and the top of this wave almost. It's the bottom of this wave, and it's the 1414 extension, which is often a level that we come to on 3-wave moves. I like the 1414 level a whole lot. So 24,200 range. What did I say? 24.7. It should be 24.2. 24.7 is the 127 extension. And that's not a bad area as well. So really, I like this 24,000 range as a bottom level and as a top level 25.9. So that's really the ballpark I'm looking for. I would love to see, and what I believe from a wave standpoint, is that we have a 1-2, 1-2 working and looking for a V-shaped recovery like that, but bigger. We could, by the end of next week, be up to $36,000. Okay? So if we start getting a V-shaped move to the upside, guys, after a deep candle maybe, you need to be considering taking a long. Considering it. We've got hidden bull on the chart. We're very oversold on the high time frames. We have a wave count. Just all the boxes are being checked for me to say, hey, this is still bullish. I don't think we're going down to lower lows. However, here's what you're going to want to do on your charts. And I think this will be telling for you. Okay. I think first off, there's a nice trend right there. I don't know if you see it. There it is. Top of that wave, top of that wave. Okay. We've got a nice trend here. The more that these trends get broken and close here, particularly on the daily chart, the more bearish we are. Okay. But again, there's a real chance for a bounce here. Even if we're going to go down, we've got hidden bull on the chart. There's a real chance for a bounce, even if it rolls over and goes down again. Okay. So some kind of a pullback in this range is expected, even if it's not a reversal. I think there's a high likelihood, though, that we get a reversal out of here. Something like this V-shaped recovery. Okay. Looking for something like that. And it'll be on the chart a clear 1, 2, 1, 2 to the upside. Okay. At the end of the day, we need to really find support right here. So if we can't find support on this trend line here, okay, so if this ends up coming down and breaking this trend line, now chances are it would bounce and then break it later, right? That's very bearish. Trend is to the downside confirmed when that happens, okay? So that's an important thing to watch as well on the high time frames. We got a lot of price action for that to get down there. I'm not certain that we go down there, to be honest with you. Okay, so I'm bullish. I'd like to see this thing wick and come on back up V-shaped. The last time we did this happened on a Friday. This dump happened on a Friday. This pump began on a Saturday into Sunday. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay, those are my main ideas. Up or down. Okay. But I'm looking at this as 3 waves for now. WXY. And let's see if this thing can finish up this weekend and look for some kind of move back to the upside. So I'll be watching that. Let's look at XRP. XRP looks really good. Let's zoom out just a little bit. Maybe the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart has very much a flat look to it. I would love to see XRP come on down, make one more low. Be really nice to see that end. Boom, 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 something like that. Or this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more hit to the low. A, B, C. That looks good. Our wave is looking good to the downside right now. Five-minute chart, 15-minute chart was pretty looking. That's not it. There it is. All right, there it is. Let's see how much volatility we get to the downside and where it's going to go. Chances are it's going to come down, come back up, then roll over and finish. Down at targets. ADA. You can see that we've broken price and we've broken wave structure on the 1 hour. 1 hour is broken to the downside. 1 hour is broken price. That's bearish, guys. That's bearish. We had right here, we had a 3-wave move. This could be another 1, 2. We could get a 3, 4, 5. And that might finish this wave out. And that might be some kind of a W, X, and a Y in and of itself. Now, I do like this trend line that I drew. I do like it, and we're right now it's holding. Okay, so the question is this trend going to hold? I don't know if I have a finished count here, so it feels like there's more downside. And if that breaks, I'm not sure the implications of that. That may be pointing to a much more bearish market instead of bullish if this trend line breaks. So let's watch that guy. Same with XRP. Let's watch the 12-hour trend line right there. See it? Let's see if this holds. Okay, DXY. Looks like we're in the middle of finishing a C leg, a C wave to the upside. So looking for this to come up, finish a third wave. I personally don't believe it's a what do you call it? A reversal. I believe it's a corrective wave that's going to be followed by another move down. SPX. This is what I drew earlier. I'm looking for a little bit of a down move today, even if it's just small, or a much bigger one down here, but then up after either of those moves. And I'm not sure which, but I'm looking for up. Looking at the overall time frame, I'm looking at that as a leading diag, and looking at this as a three-wave pullback back to the upside. Let's call it a W, X, and let's call it a Y there. All right. Let's see. I haven't looked at XLM. Take a peek at XLM real fast. Oh, Nelly. Oh, look at that trash. That's trash-ola right there, buddy. Have you ever seen such trash-ola?
Every branch of the ugly tree on the way down.
Boom. Boom.
Say roadkill that looks prettier than.
All right. I've got a count for you that this may be our shenanigans for the day. See, there's 3 right there. We're going to call this 3 right there. I don't like that. I'm looking at it a different way. Oh, it looks like 3. What if this is a 3? What if this is 3? No. All right, let's just do it this way for now. A. Not sure what to do with that. I was thinking maybe something like this. There we go. Yeah, that looks decent right there. W, X, Y. It takes us up again before down. That's hard. Let's look at the CME chart. Looks like we're just breaking to the downside for more down. That's the 1 hour chart. Just looks like more down. Six minutes left on that hourly candle. So, all right, guys, that's my analysis of the market. I'm my targets are down right now unless they get complicated here. So let's talk about some other possible counts here just to be balanced. I'm gonna make myself look for something different here. Okay. I still don't think this is finished. I think it's got one more hit to the low. So if we kind of go down to 15.9 and see a bounce, that'll be decent. If we kind of get down here to 15.9, I say 15.9, 25.9. I keep saying it wrong. I don't know why. 25.9 range. That might finish this move, which may be followed by some kind of move like this back to the upside before we get another move to the downside. So watch out for complexity in this wave. Could be simple and finish. This one was kind of kept going down complexly. Boom, bounce, boom, bounce, boom. Okay, this one may just kind of come down quickly and then reverse, which is what I'm hoping. However, as Seth was mentioning last night, the potential of maybe some kind of flat on the smaller time frame right here. I mentioned this yesterday as well, but we didn't get it. But what if this becomes some kind of flat and then we come down? Or we get a larger flat where this is a flat, boom, and then we come down deep. This is just the fake out to the downside. We're actually going to come up here. So those are two other ideas that kind of take us up from this range, but I still like the idea of coming down and tagging the 25.9 level. Is that too obvious? Maybe. It might be. So, all right. Any questions or comments before I call it a day, guys? Those are my thoughts from a wave standpoint. I am short, looking to take profit sometime soon. This man is manifesting 15.9 into the universe. For shame. Heresy. Oh, I see 15.9. I get you. 25.9. 25.9. All right, guys. Y'all have a fantastic day. I'll be around. I'm going to go work on my camper for a bit. I got a ball game tonight too, so I will be home about 8:15, 8:30 for live tonight, or a wave update. Maybe we'll see where the wave is tonight. So, have a fantastic day, guys. We're gonna call it a live. See you later. Bye.